I want to show you a little bit about shaping with this basket too. So I'm on the back. I always want my corners square, and I'm always looking at that corner to make sure it's straight. I don't want it going in, I don't want it going out. But in the front, I want this coming out. So I pull on it a little bit. Shaping in basketry is subtle, and it doesn't take much for it to go in the right direction. But you got to do it as a series. See how that's starting to cat head now? Okay. I'm going to push that over just a little bit because I don't want to get these two close together. It's just those little tweaks that makes a difference. Now here on this corner, I want that to come out just a little bit. So see how I pull just a little bit, and then I look on that. I don't want it way out so that it's got a loop, but I want it out a little bit. I'm still working on that belly there. And you don't want it, it's a progression. See how this is where this is started, this is where this is at now. That's going out. If you look in comparison to this, that's straight up. That's going out, that's the front, this is staying straight. And you can tell what's going on with your basket if you look at the corners. This is the back corner, and I want to pinch it because I want it to stay straight. See how I pinch that just a little bit? This is the corner, so I'm going to look at it, make sure it's straight up and down, and give it a pinch. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time how to add a new weaver. Okay, so I'm coming around to the front, and I want to pull that out just a little bit, and it's enough so when you look at that, see how it's, actually this side's not coming out as nice as the other one. See how that one went in a little bit too much? It should have been out. So I still got time to recover, but those are the kind of things that you're looking at. Okay, so I always want to start in and on top of. So here's my next weaver. I'm going to count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So as you get up to about, well, let's see where we're at. How many inches? We need to be at 8 and be at 36. So right now I'm at 3. And let's see what my circumference looks like. My circumference is about 31. Okay. So you can see it doesn't take long to get to 36. Don't go a lot bigger than 36. I'd take an inch either way, but and that's to keep it in control. That's what you do. Check it.